Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 47 of solving Leetcode questions daily. Friends, today we are going to see a very important topic and a very basic question in regards to the linked list. Today we are going to see the reverse linked list. Now talking about the brute approach, you can tell the interviewer that we can convert this linked list to an array format, then we could reverse it and again push it to the linked list. But is it really efficient? Because we are using a extra space complexity as well as the time complexity. First you have to traverse the O of n complexity to get all the elements, and then to insert every single thing you have to again go for n, and again you have to reverse it, then also n. So O of 3n would be the brute approach. That would be a very bad approach. So it is good to always introduce the brute to the interviewer, so again you can explain this in the better manner. So I think we should directly get to the optimal one, because there is nothing much logical in aspect of these terms. So what happens, friend? This is our linked list. So what happens if we have to reverse it? Just we have do what? We have to first point the first index to null. This is I'll just make the marker size somewhat wider. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to just make head point to the null, second point to the first, third point to the second. That means whatever the next pointer was, it was pointing to the previous one. This is a simple logic. There is no such rocket science in between. Just if you do this and mark your last element as head, it is reversed. Very simple logic, nothing much. So what would be the basic terminology? So we'll just traverse it. Starting from the traversing, where what we'll do, we'll just keep a track of the next pointer and the previous. So whatever the next is there, that next would be pointing to the previous one, and we'll just iterate it further and further. So let's see the code, because this is only the code. There is nothing much in this. So let's see. You can try it with the recursive approach also. I have written recursive approach also. I'll show you. So first we have done the head. Then we have got the previous one. First we'll point to the null. Then what we'll do, we'll just iterate the loop. In that we'll just create a front one, which is the next element. Basically that temp is the current one, and that of next is the front one. Then what we'll do, when we'll move forward, we'll mark it as a prev. Prev means a previous element. So we'll just swap it. This is a basically swapping logic. That what we'll do, we'll assign that prev, that is the previous one, as that the temp one, and the front one would be the new current one. If you dry run it, you will really get to know it, because it is a very easy. Just keep a track that what we are doing, whatever the next element is, we are assigning it as a front. So let me mark it here. So it is temp, it is temp. So what we are going, we are just marking the front one, the next one as the front one. So this one is done. So the next is what? The temp of next, that is the temp of next is the prev one. And that prev is then going to the temp, and that temp is front. This is so basic logic. You can just try it once, so that, and I'll show you the recursive code also. So let's see the recursive. This is the recursive. The base condition is that either head or head of next should be the null. You will return the null. You will iterate the reverse till the next pointer, that is you will get to the next one. And whenever you go, keep a track of a front, and just here the front of next would be the head, and the head of next would be the null. This simple logic. So you will get the recursive also. So let me just run this code. All accepted. And yes, we have got a very optimal answer also. So the term complexity would be only O of n with the space complexity O of 1. If you are using recursion, you will get automatically space complexity O of n, because you are using the recursive stack format. So this is it for the today's class. I hope you have understand the whole concept and the videos. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my content, please share it with your friends. Thank you.